On August 6, 1945, a nuclear bomb detonated above Hiroshima. The flash lasted less than a second, but in that second, the temperature at ground zero reached 7,000 degrees, hotter than the surface of the sun. People standing near stone walls and bridges were vaporized instantly. Their bodies absorbed the blast of thermal radiation, bleaching the stone behind them. What remained were permanent shadows, silhouettes of people mid-step, a woman sitting on temple steps, a man climbing a ladder. Their last moments burned into stone like photographs. The shadows are still there today, the Hiroshima shadows. People who were turned into nothing except a dark shape on a wall. Proof that they existed, proof that they were alive, proof that they were real people who were just standing there 1 second ago.